After opening your project in Visual Studio, right click on the solution and select Publish. If you have already got a profile, you could click on plus new profile to add a new profile. From the targets, select Azure and then select Next. If you have developed an Azure App Service based on Windows, select it and then click on Next. Then you might get this message saying we did not find an Azure subscription. It's because you haven't signed in. So click on Sign In and then select Microsoft. Enter your Microsoft email ID that you used to create Azure account and then click on Next. Enter the password and then click on Sign In. After signing in, under the subscription name, you could see Azure Subscription 1 is selected. So the next step is to create a new Azure App Service. So click on Create New and it would automatically fill in this information. However, to make it easier, you could make the name simpler by removing the extra characters. For the resource group, click on New. Here also change the name into a simpler. Next is Hosting Plan. Click on New. Here also change your hosting plan name into a simpler format. Click on Location and from the list, select another location, for example, East US. And then click on OK and then click on Create. And if you get this error, which says this region has quota of 0 standard instances of your subscription, try selecting different region or SKU. Don't worry, just click on OK. And then under the hosting plan, click on New. And under the size of the plan, click on the drop down and make sure to select Free. And then click on OK and then click on Create. If you still got the same error, don't worry, click on OK. Click on New for your hosting plan and try different location. As the error says, your subscription doesn't support all the locations. And the location that worked for me was UK West, maybe because I'm based in the UK. And then once again, click on Create. It might take longer this time for creating app service. And finally, it is created. Now click on Finish. This would finish creating the profile. Click on Close. Now the profile is ready to be published. And now all you got to do is to click on Publish. Under the output, you could see the progress. And finally, your website should be published on your default browser. And then you can test your website. And you can see my website is working perfectly, running directly from Azure websites. If you don't have a free Azure Service app, then watch my video on how to sign up for Azure for free.